AMD is on the move up, as you can see, 37.55%. This sort of gain is not the stuff you see with mega stocks. It's not the stuff you see. Yeah, it's a massive one. This is what's going on.
That initial report highlights a landmark agreement between Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and OpenAI that is widely considered a major inflection point in the AI chip industry. Here's an expansion on the details of this multi-billion-dollar partnership. Strategic Partnership for AI Infrastructure. The deal represents a significant commitment from OpenAI to build its next generation AI data centers using AMD's high performance chips, marking a major effort to diversify its supply chain away from the current market leader, NVIDIA. Key deal components. Massive chip commitment. OpenAI has committed to deploying 6 gigawatts of AMD's Instinct GPUs, graphics processing units, as part of a multi-year, multi-generation agreement. This massive order will power OpenAI's growing AI infrastructure, which is essential for developing and running models like GPT. The chips involved. The deployment will begin with AMD's next generation GPU, the Instinct MI450 series. The initial 1 gigawatt of MI450 chips is expected to be deployed in the second half of 2026. Financial impact for AMD. AMD expects the partnership to be highly lucrative, projecting it will deliver tens of billions of dollars in revenue over the next 5 years. Furthermore, AMD anticipates a ripple effect from this strategic win, which is expected to contribute to a total of over $100 billion in new revenue over 4 years from OpenAI and other customers inspired by this adoption. Alignment of interests. A crucial and unique feature of the deal is the deep strategic alignment between the two companies. OpenAI's equity stake, AMD, has issued a warrant to OpenAI, giving the AI company the right to purchase up to 160 million shares of AMD common stock, approximately a 10% stake in the company, at a nominal price, reportedly 1 cent per share. Vesting milestones. The warrant is structured to vest, become purchasable, as specific milestones are met. These milestones are tied both to the amount of AMD computing power deployed by OpenAI and to AMD achieving certain share price targets. This structure directly links OpenAI's financial success in AMD to the successful deployment and performance of AMD's AI chips. Industry significance. The news sent AMD stock soaring, with surges of 25% to over 30% in pre-market trading, reflecting the market's belief that this deal positions AMD as a more formidable competitor to NVIDIA in the lucrative AI semiconductor space. For OpenAI, this deal is part of a broader multi-trillion-dollar race to build the necessary computing power to realize its ambitions, securing a significant portion of its total compute goal.
Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. I can see Nvidia is down 1.25%. I think it's exciting. It's providing people who are not participating in this AMD rally the opportunity to jump in on Nvidia. I know it's hard to be talking about Nvidia right now, but for now, Nvidia is still the big game, the big player in the game, the biggest player in the game. Yeah. Intraday high 22.7%, 2227.80. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. This is not what you see with a mega stock. This is the stuff you see with a a micro stock, small cap stock. Well, we are looking at extrapolation saying that higher prices will remain in place up till the close of today's session, when then we have a pullback and then the uptrend may resume. Yeah, yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. AMD is back. It wasn't not back before. Yeah, this is exceptional. But I think, yeah, surely expect a pullback to occur. This is a huge amount of gain, and for a mega stock like AMD. Yeah, but yeah, at the same time, if it doesn't pull back, it's not out of place because it deserves it. It deserves it completely. You know, yeah. Projections we have. We're going to take this one to 227.80. We can have a look at the daily chart. The daily chart. Let's see what's going on there on the daily chart for AMD. Yeah. High prices, nothing, no contraction at all is expected. Just a brief one by, or rather, beginning from the end of October, Tuesday, the 28th. So that's when a contraction is expected to play out. But from now on, the volley is expected to remain. The angle of attack is expected to remain this inclined. Yeah, the angle of attack is expected to remain disinclined all the way towards Wednesday. Then after that, it may just level off, contracting with still with an accumulative slant. Yeah, from Thursday to night, it may begin to contract with a bullish slant. People will still be buying then. The momentum will cool off. Momentum will, as you can see, the price pressure momentum is here saying the momentum will cool off, but doesn't mean that the price will drop. Yeah, so this momentum is expected to remain strong going all the way towards the end of Wednesday the 8th. However, there's no guarantee that this is what is going to happen at all. Projections are even saying it had even higher projections as of the 27th of August. They had 225.52, 237.08, and then indeed down projection 206.80, going all the way down to 146.69. But yeah, price pressure momentums would easily be trending, yeah, heavily, robustly trending. However, the second derivatives are bearish, negative, indicating that profit taking, short selling, name it, scalping, seriously going on right now. Yeah, positions opened 10 days ago, strongly trending. In profit right now. Positions opened 21 days ago, trending as well. In profit, going all the way back to 200 days ago. They're all in profit, given how things are right now. Yeah. Okay, so we can try and see what the projections of the market grid is going to say on its 1 hour chart. Let's see. If anything, we'll just want to see the prospects of modestly higher prices going on there. We still have this intraday high of 227.8. Let's see, any chance we can see something there. Let's see. Yeah, we have. Let's see. We have the grid has adjusted here. Let's see what we have. 248.17. 248.17. That's the top of the grid. You know, and then all the way down to 199.01. So this is the potential it has, but right now it's the trajectory is to the downside. It may contract. We have there's a chance it might test 217.79. Yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, AMD on the move. Finally. Yeah, it's time to it's time for AMD to join the race. It's time for MD to join the race. Yeah, let's see what's going on the order books. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, let's see what we have. Anything coming up? 22219 looks volatile as well. Let's go up here. This is where it's happening. 220 so far up. Yeah, let's see how liquid it is. Yeah, yeah, it looks quite liquid. Looks quite liquid. But aggression is very high. Aggression is most certainly very high. Yeah, aggression normally not the start of volatility. I'm sure this is most certainly what you associate with you associate AMD with volatility. Look at that, so crazy now, man. Yeah, people are falling over themselves to get involved in this. Yeah, unbelievable stuff. Yeah. Okay, have a look and see what you make of AMD, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.